Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to tell you how you can reduce your electricity bill. By doing this trick, you can save a lot of money. And we will teach you how you can do it by yourself. So it's not rocket science, just easy peasy job, you can do it. Nothing fancy, no tool required, just a couple of things. We will show you how you can reduce your electricity bill by tinting windows and which film you can use. Things you need for tint: sharp knife, a squeegee, a spray bottle, and a visitor tape. In spray bottle, you need a little bit of dishwasher liquid and water. Just mix it together, and then you can spray it on the glass and on the film. So how you gonna measure it? No, not like this. Have a tape. I'll show you how you can measure the glass. So as you can see, the glass size is 860, but we will keep it like 920. So if you keep the bigger, it's easy to cut the film from the edges. So the height is gonna be 2 meters. So this is the rug cloth or pet cloth you can use. This is a spray bottle. Or you can use any spray bottles. This is very easy for us. Just wipe it up. This is the film we're gonna use. As you can see here, it blocks 87% visible light, 89% heat, and reject the UV rays up to 98%. It really helps you to cut down the cooling cost of your house. Oh, one more thing. You need a straight level. You can use any straight thing to cut the film straight. We're using a bucket. Don't do. Push little hard, just on soft hands, so it won't affect the carpet. So now we're gonna cut the other side. So this is 1.5, we need 900. The other 600 is just the best. So this is our film. So after cutting the film, we're gonna spray them on glass. That's it. Take a film. The two sides are attached with it. Just move this clear paper and pull it down. Slowly pull it down and spray water on the film. Don't take all the paper at once. So once it's up there, like this, hold it tight from here and then pull the rest. Spray water on both of sides, film and the glass. Then leave it. It will settle down itself. Now, time to squeeze it. When you're squeezing it, don't go like this. No. From center to right, center to left, center to right, center to left, center to right, center to left. If you're doing from this and from that, your film will go like this. So from center to left, center to right, like this. So once it's all settled, just cut it from the edges. So this is all done. The benefit of this film, in winter it will keep the heat inside the house. In summer it won't pass the heat from outside to the inside the house. That's the benefit, and it will save your electricity bill. I will show you the difference from outside and inside. We have done the center window. These two windows are left. So you can see the difference. I'll show you the outside view. Can you see the difference? From outside you can't see inside, but from inside you can see it. So thank you so much. Hope you like the video. Please like and share.